Good morning, my friends. I want to introduce you my next speaking about vitality and sexuality the next November in the meeting of Neurosciences planified by Reformed. This year, I want to introduce you my book, Human Obsolescence. In that book, you can find how our body is the media through what we express ourselves, our body, our emotions, and our spirit, because it's the way we can relate with the earth and other people. I can explain you better in next speaking in November. I wait for you, and I wait to see you there. Thank you too much.